फाइनली आपने रिएक्ट सीखने का सोच लिया है, पर बहुत ही ज्यादा ब्रेन फ्रोजन हो गए हो। ऐसे रोड मैप्स देख लिए जिसे देखकर डर गए हो, ऐसे जो कि दिल्ली के मेट्रो नेटवर्क से ज्यादा स्केरी है, लाइक डिजाइन्ड बाय अ स्पाइडर ऑन कैफीन। आई नो एवरीथिंग इज स्कैटर्ड एंड मेसी एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाई आई एम हियर। व्हाट अप हसलर्स, दिस इज योर गाय अभिक एंड टुडे आई विल बी कवरिंग हाउ टू मास्टर रिएक्ट इन 2025। तो आज हम सारे कंफ्यूजिंग रोड मैप साइड में रखने वाले हैं। ऑल्सो डू माइंड यू, ये कोई 10 आवर ट्यूटोरियल नहीं होने वाला है जहां आप बस कॉपी एंड पेस्ट करते रहो और सीख जाओगे। This will be your battle plan, your step-by-step guide, ordered guide to learning the React modern way. And please do stick till the end, as by the end of it, you'll have a clear, actionable path from zero to feeling confident in your React skills. Ready for the hustle? Let's go. So master JavaScript first. सबसे पहले all you need is JS basics. Do you want to learn React without a solid foundation in JavaScript? Yeah, to be honest, you can give it a try, पर उसमें quality नहीं होगी. It will feel like trying to build a skyscraper on sand. I mean, it's going to collapse. चलो, collapse is an overstatement, but it surely will take you longer than it should. Now you don't need to be a JS wizard, but you absolutely must be comfortable with these core concepts. देखो, starting में तो data types, variables, loops and functions ये तो हर language का part होते हैं. This you should know. Then it comes to DOM का manipulation, like how to interact with HTML elements in your scripts जहां logic reside करता है, JavaScript. फिर आपको ES6+ के features सीखने होंगे. You need to know what are arrow functions, what is destructuring, template literals and promises भी आपको आने चाहिए. And then सबसे important asynchronous JavaScript होती है. Async and await modern web development की foundation है. इसके बिना बड़ी React application के flows समझ ही नहीं पाओगे. Comments में मुझे बताओ कि क्या-क्या ऑलरेडी आता है एंड क्या-क्या सीखना बचा है. Now let's come to components and JSX. All right, you have learned JavaScript, but now welcome to the world of React. The first and most important mental shift is learning to see websites not as giant pages with singular code bases, but as a collection of Lego bricks. वो bricks होती है ना जिससे बच्चे गेम खेलते हैं. Yes, in React we call these bricks as components. A search bar, a navigation menu, a single button. In fact, जो user profile होती है, हर चीज self contained होती है, reusable बनती है, ताकि plug and play करके आगे की चीजें जल्दी बनती रहे. And कितना भी बड़ा और massive structure हो, we can do that easily. You'll build these components using a syntax called JSX, which lets you write HTML-like code directly inside your JavaScript. May feel like a little weird at first, but it's very powerful because it keeps your logic and your view tied to the same file and makes readability very easy. Your mission is to master the component wala mindset. Look at YouTube, look at Twitter, any web page, and start mentally drawing boxes around everything. That's actually a component. That's a component inside another component. This is the fundamental skill of a React developer. React छोड़ो, this is a fundamental skill of any front-end developer. Now let's move on to props and states. तो अब तक आपने static Lego bricks बनाना सीख लिया है. I'm assuming सीख लिया है. Well, how do you make them dynamic and interactive? This is where you'll need to learn the two most important concepts in React. एक होता है props, जिसको properties बोलते हैं, and एक होता है states. Think of props as information you pass down to a component, like giving instructions कि यार ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है, and ये भी करना है. If you have a YouTube video component, you'd pass it props for title, thumbnail URL, and channel name. This makes your components reusable. फिर आ गया states. Like if props are instructions passed down, state is a component's own internal memory. Like it's for data that will change over time based on users interaction. कि कोई बटन पे टैप किया तो एक animation change हुआ. The number on a like button, that's state. The text you are typing into a form, that's also a state. You'll manage this using React's most famous hook, use state. इसके बारे में आपने काफी सुना होगा दूसरी वीडियोस में भी, but yes, this is very important. Build simple components that can both receive data via props and manage their own internal data with use state hook. बताया था ना अभी? This is the core loop of interactivity in React. And इसे सीखकर आपके आगे की हर चीज समझना बहुत easy हो जाएगी. Moving forward to meta framework. ये सबसे crucial piece of advice इस पूरे वीडियो की है. Like for years, the standard way to start a React project was to use create React app command. That era is over. That's really over. आप हर पुरानी वीडियो में देखोगे आपको वो सेम चीज मिलेगी, but now we have moved on. React itself is just a library for building UI. It's an engine. But a real world application needs a complete working car. सिर्फ टायर से नहीं होगा, सिर्फ इंजन से नहीं होगा. You need the complete car. Routing for multiple pages, data fetching strategies, performance optimizations and more. A meta framework does just that. It gives you the complete pre-assembled car. In fact, The official React documentation itself now recommends that you start with a framework, and the undisputed legend of these frameworks is Next.js. It's built by a team that works very closely with React core team, and in this you will get all the modern features you need freshly cooked, ready to be served. Forget create React app. From now on, every new project you start should begin with just one command: npx create next app at latest. This is the new boss in town. Now let's move to data handling. Eventually, your app will need to fetch data from an external source like an API. Because if you realize, software development is nothing but moving data from one end to another and then finally present this on UI. आपको countless tutorials and articles मिलेंगे telling you to do this with a hook called use effect. Well, this is now considered an anti-pattern for data fetching. क्योंकि ये clunky है and it leads to bugs like race conditions. अब आप पूछोगे race conditions क्या होती हैं? Google करो, काफी interesting होती हैं ये, and one of the hardest to debug. The modern ecosystem, especially within Next.js, gives much better tools. इसको कहते हैं React Server Component (RSCs). This is a revolutionary new feature. Server components are components that run only on the server. This means they can talk directly to your database or fetch data from an API before any code is sent to the user's browser. The result? Insanely fast paging loads and a much simpler way to get your data right to your screen. मैं कुछ एग्जांपल्स देता हूँ ये कैसे अचीव किया जा सकता है. Well, first is TanStack query. इसे React query भी बोलते हैं. For data you need to fetch on the client side, TanStack query is the gold standard. Like it holds all the messy parts of data fetching for you. Like caching हो गया, loading states हो गए, error handling हो गया, and keeping data fresh automatically. कोई भी dirty read नहीं होगा इसमें. Well, your goal for this step is nothing but to learn and implement the basics of fetching data inside a Next.js page using server components. Then for interactive parts of your UI, learn how to use the use query hook. Complicated लग रहा है क्या? अगर एक बार इंप्लीमेंट करना स्टार्ट करोगे, यू विल रियलाइज कि React is very easy, and on top of that, Next.js framework is much more helpful in building more scalable applications. Now let me cover the end game. Once you have mastered these core steps, you are ready to round out your skills and become a truly effective front-end developer. तो मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ client state management की. Sometimes you need to share state across your entire app, जैसे कि यूजर का login status हो गया या फिर कार्ट में पड़े हुए shopping items जो कि आपको checkout तक दिखाने हैं. For this, the modern, lightweight and powerful choice is Zustand. It's incredibly simple and avoids the performance issues of React's built-in context API. To make your apps look great, the de facto industry standard is Tailwind CSS. It's a utility-first framework that lets you build beautiful custom designs incredibly fast without ever leaving your HTML. Combine it with a component library like ShadCN हो गया, and you'll be building professional-looking interfaces in no time. वैसे तो you also need to test all this code to become a professional, पर अभी के लिए वो मैं इस वीडियो के स्कोप से बाहर रख रहा हूँ. As the agenda is to master React. एक बार React से बेसिक स्टेप्स सीख जाओगे तो टेस्टिंग फ्रेमवर्क्स पर भी डिस्कस कर लेंगे. And that's it. This is your 2025 roadmap to mastering React. Let's quickly recap the journey ताकि कुछ भी मिस ना हो and आपको सब कुछ वापस से recall हो जाए. In step 0, we discussed how to nail your JavaScript fundamentals. Step 1 में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि कैसे core concepts of components and JSX को master करना जरूरी है आगे बढ़ने के लिए. In step 2, we discussed and learned how to use props and states effectively. Step 3 में we discussed like how to start every project with the Next.js, and it is no-brainer. Don't even worry about other frameworks. There, I said it. In step 4, we learned modern data fetching methods with server components and TanStack query. In step 5, we learned how to round out your skills with Zustand for global state management and Tailwind CSS for styling. देखो काफी simple रखने की कोशिश करी है. Take it one step at a time. Build a small project at each step mandatorily and उसको GitHub पर push करते रहना because GitHub is your new resume. Remember? मैं हमेशा से कवर करता आया हूँ कि हर चीज तुम्हें GitHub पर डालनी ही है, and जब GitHub पे डालोगे तो तभी सीख भी जाओगे. And to be very honest, Google your way out of bugs. मैं personally अभी से AI यूज करना रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगा. I know, मैं ही कहता हूँ कि हमेशा AI से सीखना है, लेकिन I think पहले खुद से सब सीखो, अपने फंडामेंटल्स बिल्ड करो एंड समझो, क्योंकि AI के लिए तुम्हारे पास पूरी लाइफ है. एंड you'll have to realize कि अगर खुद से एक बार फंडामेंटल्स क्लियर कर लिए, कल को नई टेक स्टैक सीखते सीखते आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी 2x हो जाएगी. दिस इज अ मैराथन, नॉट अ स्प्रिंट. बट विद दिस रोड मैप यू आर ऑन द फास्टेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट डायरेक्ट पाथ टू सक्सेस. अगर जो क्लैरिटी ढूंढ रहे थे वो इस वीडियो में मिली है, तो डू स्मैश दैट लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर कंटेंट टू हेल्प you with your coding journey. Do drop a comment below and let me know which step you are on right now. And as always, keep learning and keep hustling.